the EEOC, and what you need to know. This presentation is being provided to inform you, our managers, about the EEOC. It is your duty to know what this commission does in order to protect the company. The EEOC, also known as the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, is an agency of the federal government, and its purpose is to interpret and enforce federal laws prohibiting discrimination. The EEOC enforces most laws that prohibit employment discrimination, but not all of them. The laws that the EEOC enforces include Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, the Pregnancy Discrimination Act, the Equal Pay Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, the Age Discrimination in Employment Act, and the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act. Most employers with 15 or more employees are covered under the EEOC laws. The EEOC is the place to file charges for employment discrimination, check the status of a charge, and the authority that will investigate that charge. The EEOC provides leadership, guidance, and training to ensure compliance with regulations. The EEOC has a main headquarters in Washington, D.C., and 53 offices throughout the country to serve everyone. In addition to protecting employees from discrimination in the workplace, the EEOC also advocates for non-discriminatory practices within the federal government. The laws that the EEOC enforces prohibit employers from using neutral employment policies that have an adverse effect on protected classes like age, race, religion, etc. Some illegal actions include placing a job advertisement that shows a preference for or discourages anyone from applying for the position, attempting to recruit employees in a way that discriminates against applicants based on their protected class, refusing to distribute applications to applicants based on their age, race, religion, or others. Promotions, assignments, pay, and benefits cannot be administered in such a way that it shows a bias against a protected class. Discipline and termination must not show discrimination based on protected classes. If a violation occurs, the same punishment must be administered to all employees committing the violation. The employer must provide reasonable accommodation for those with disabilities, so long as it does not put any undue hardship on the employer. Employees have the right to a non-discriminatory workplace and job search. They are to be given a harassment-free environment in which to work and provide for their families. All applicants must be given the same opportunity regardless of their race, religion, age, disability, or other protected class. Posters stating these laws and regulations are required to be placed in view of all employees. Employers who do not comply with the laws governed by the EEOC can face penalties and fines or possible imprisonment.